Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Let me quickly show you how to build an FCHAIN converter website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Firstly, I'll be showing you what the website looks like. So let's quickly log into the user dashboard. So right here, user can create an account. As for me, I've created the account already. So let's enter our 4-digit PIN. You can see this is our user dashboard. So we have the admin dashboard and the user dashboard. This is our admin dashboard and this is our user dashboard. So let me quickly show you what the user dashboard looks like. So now let me show you how to build this kind of website. It is very simple. It's not something you have to code before you do. You are not coding at all. So let's get started. So to build this kind of website, you must have gotten your domain and hosting. So I recommend HostGrid for your domain and hosting. Go over to their website and check out their plans. So choose any of their plans and you are good to go. All right, let's continue. So after getting your domain and hosting, you'll be given a cPanel login. So when you log into your cPanel, you go to File Manager. From your File Manager, you go to public_HTML. On your public_HTML, you click on Upload. Let's upload the file. So let's select the file. So you wait for this bar here to turn green before you can proceed. So now that it has turned green, so you click on Go Back Home. As you can see, this is it right here. And if you need this script, I'll leave my contacts in the description of this video. Send me a DM on Telegram or on WhatsApp so you get the script. So you right click on it, you click on extract files. So you click on close. So right here we have all the file contents. So we are going to open this config folder. So now we want to edit this db.php file. You right click on it, you click on edit. We are going to be editing that. Click on edit once again. Edit the database section and right here the wallet section. So let's quickly create a database. So let's go over to our cPanel and create a database. You click on database wizard. So now let's create a database name. So you click on next step. So let's enter the name again. So you enter your password. So after you've entered your password, you click on create user. Okay, right here you are going to accept all privileges, and you click on make changes. So now let's go over to our db.php. So the database name we just created now, so let's enter the database username. Since we use the same thing for the two, so let's enter that also. Our password, the password we just created at the database. So for this section, you are going to enter your wallet address for the USDT, ERC20, Ethereum, BTC, and the rest. Alright, so after you've done that, you click on save changes. Okay, now let's download our SQL file. So let's go over to our cPanel. So right here we have our SQL. Let's open it. So you right click on it and click on download. As you can see, it has downloaded. So after we've downloaded it, we'll go back to our cPanel home. So you go over to the database section, you click on phpMyAdmin. We're going to click on the database name we just created. Okay, from there you click on import. And you click on import, you click on choose file. Let's choose the file. So this is the database. You click on open. This is the database right here. So you scroll down, you click on import. Import has been successfully finished. Okay, if we go over to our cPanel, you can see we have our installation guide. So let's right click on that, let's edit it. Here in the installation guide, we have our admin login, we have the email and the password. So let's go over to our phpMyAdmin. So let's click on the database name we created. So when you click on it, you click on admin. Here we have the email and password. So let's click on edit. Right here we can edit the email and the password, as you can see right here. So let's edit the email and the password. So for us to change the password, let's clear everything here. So you click on this drop down, you scroll down, you click on this password #php function. So let me type in my password. So after that, you scroll down, you click on go. So we've successfully changed the admin password from the phpMyAdmin, as you can see. So let's open up our website. You can go over to the cPanel home. So let's click on this, our primary domain name. As you can see, this is our website, looking beautiful. Let me scroll down for you to look how beautiful it is. As you can see, this is looking so beautiful. So if you need the script, I'll leave my contacts in the description of this video, so you send me a DM for you to get the script. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.